Hey everybody! Today it's going to begin to look a lot like Christmas at our place, and to start off, whoa, prickers, we are in the process of trying to find a Christmas tree.
It's big.
Amber's been asking for a white pine. Warren's been kind of scouting the woods the last few weeks on all his little excursions to find something.
I mean, so we're gonna have to take it like right here. I actually thought, you know, it's gonna be very big, and this is 6 feet wide.
It's pretty round, but it's nice and full. I do like that.
As far as trees go,
As far as a white pine goes,
Very wide. I think it's way too wide for inside. Once we get it inside,
whoa, but imagine if this jack pine was gone.
you gotta realize that.
Look at,
See, this is a 10-foot tree, because that's 8 feet to my fingertips. So we're gonna have to take it like right here.
yeah.
So
It's gonna be kind of like a bush.
well, that's kind of white pines for you.
yeah, that's white pines for you. We can go across the marsh and check them out, because there's a whole pile of white pines back there that are much smaller. Eska!
Eska, come on! Hey, get over here!
So let's go jump in the truck. We'll go across the marsh and look at some more white pine. Bottom branches off. It would give you the space to stack presents
Right,
and the fullness of a three-way top.
right.
But we can keep looking.
Are you finding a tree?
No,
You ready?
And down it comes.
Down it comes.
Yeah, I think we all agreed on one.